welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can restore old black and white photos on CapCut browser. So go to Magic Tools again, then you're going to select the old photo restoration or the photo colorizer. Let's just try this one first. So let's just select that, and here you can have images from like the example, or you can upload your own. I'm just going to upload my own photo. It's not very retro looking, but I think it works with both like the black and white to color and the old photo restoration one. It's going to generate, it's going to take a few minutes, so I'll be back when it's done. So I'm just going to pause this for a minute. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's gone. Okay, I guess this one doesn't. Oh, there we go. It colorized it. So make sure you select the colorized option here, and then once you're done, you're just going to export it. And that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!